Alright, hey guys, AJ here. I'm just doing a little update since I got some time before work today. As you can hear, there's there's a little kitty here, but she two yeah 2 days ago I believe I was at work and this little girlie was climbing on the walls outside of the Waffle House. She climbed up the wall onto the windowsill and got our attention. And so we caught her and I took her home, got her a collar and a name tag and everything. And she's my little kitty now. She's so adorable and she loves to talk. But listen, I don't know if you can hear her purring, but she is purring like crazy. But isn't she absolutely adorable? Look at her. Hmm? Yeah, I know, right? Yes, it's a good kitty. Yeah. Easy, easy. Something on the agenda now to do is get her to the vet, make sure she's all good and checked out. Yeah, that's pretty much been my day, my week. The only good thing out of it is I found a kitty. Uh, that's the only good thing is I got a kitten, and potentially I can get a puppy in the next 8 weeks, because I know somebody who just recently had puppies just the day before I found the kitten, pretty much. No, two days before I found the kitten, so in 8 weeks I might be able to have a puppy too. I'm gonna have to prepare for that. But I want animals in this house. This is a house that's like almost perfect for animals, and I think we should have some. Since, the dog and the cats are always on the truck. Or virtually always. Yeah. Oh, she's back. She's back. Come here. Come up here. Come up here. Come up here. Yeah? Yeah, just look at her. Look at her. Yeah, I know. Go ahead. Alright, well, that's all the time I got for this morning. I will catch y'all later. Peace out.